Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to perform a full house cleaning on your ROBOROCK Saros 10R. To do that, make sure that the full is selected down here. Now you can adjust the mode to be vacuuming followed by mop, vacuuming and mopping, mopping, vacuuming, or customize so each room will be washed differently, cleaned differently, and then you can change the water flow, the suction power, cleaning count and route to make it quicker or more dense, and you can change the sequence in which the rooms will be cleaned. Besides the full mode, you can also set it to rooms to select only certain rooms that will be cleaned, zones to add rectangles, and those are gonna be the zones that will be cleaned, and routines. And there's another video about routines because it's a whole nother topic. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.